Farrell Surrett, and I am the owner of RecycledCycles.com. We are a registered 501c3 charity that takes bicycles and used and unwanted bicycles. We take them and we recycle them back into the community. To date, we have given away close to 700 bicycles. Have a love and a passion for bicycle riding and bicycle maintenance. I want everybody to be able to enjoy themselves riding the bicycles. And so today we are going to learn how to change a brake cable. The brake cable on my race bicycle isn't up to par and needs to be replaced. And so today we're going to do it's very simple. It's about a 10 to 15 minute fix. We're going to swap out the brake cable. We're going to take the old one out. We're going to put the new one in. There's a few things that we need to do. You have your brake lever right here. On the end of the brake lever, you have two ferrules. And they both have a slot inside of them. And so what happens is if you line that slot up, it allows you to bring the cable out to where you can release it, and then you just drop the cable out like that. So you line up the set nut and the ferrule. It will allow the cable to come out like so. So if we twist it forward, there we go. So that's how you remove the cable from the actual brake lever itself. So just remember that just line those two lines up right there, those two slits, and it will allow the brake cable to come out. There you go. So that's how you get the front part out. It's real simple. It's not very difficult. Let me get an Allen wrench and we will remove the rear one. It is a 4mm Allen wrench, and just loosen the set screw at the top of the brake arm, and it comes out. That's how simple it actually is. It's not very difficult to do it. And also on the back, if you just remove the ferrule from the actual little holder, then that's how you get the brake lever to release. It's pretty easy stuff. Get a pair of snips or a pair of clippers, and you clip off the bad end. So we've done that. So now the whole assembly, whole wire should come out. Now there's going to be, they call it a noodle. You want to keep that noodle. You don't want to throw it away. You want to take it off the existing brake cable because you're going to have to use that piece over again. And then everything should just slide out. So there you go. That's old, nasty. If you look down here on the end, you can see that it's one. So today we're putting a brand new box cable on it. I spent the money and got a higher end brake cable. You can really just if just this part is broken, you can go to a bike shop and give them a length, tell them that you need 30 inches or 40 inches. They'll cut this for you, and you can actually buy this piece. Or if it's just the actual cable inside that is messed up that you want to replace, you can go to a bike shop and you can pick this up for about $2. So if you want to spend $8 at a bike shop and then go home and do it, that saves yourself about $30. So it's all in what you want to do. There should be no reason why some of these basic bicycle skills that we're teaching, you can't do at your house, because they're really simple and you get your bike a lot faster. Because if you take it to a bike shop, you got to drop it off, pick it up in 3 or 4 days. Sometimes I forget what I'm saying. Isn't that a shame? Okay, so now we have the cable, and then we have the housing. So these are way too long, so we are going to clip them. And I have a little helper that is going to help me today. And what is your name, young lady? Can you tell me your name? Huh? You want to come here and help me? Here, come here. No? Here, come here, baby. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken the two cables, we put them right next to each other, and we're going to get down here at the end. And can you hold the scissors like that? Can you hold them? Okay, open them up. Open them up. Okay, now we're going to put it right there, and now squeeze real hard. Can you squeeze real hard? Look at there, you did it. High five. Thank you, ma'am. Can I have my scissors back? There you go. So now we have cut the actual cable to the length that it needs to be. Actually gave myself a little bit more length, just in case something happens that I'm not happy with. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the outside cable. So you want to help me again? Huh? Want to help me again? Okay, so. Okay, can you get the little scissors over there? You see them? Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the gold one. Put it right there. Can you squeeze real hard? Here, hold on. Let's get it up inside there. Okay, now. Squeeze real hard. There you go. Thank you very much. You're the best helper I've had today. Now we're going to slide the new cable inside of it. And again, it's real easy. It's not difficult. You can thread it back into the existing there are cable routers that are on the frame, or you could use zip ties. Zip ties are always great to help keep cable in place. That way it's not banging on your leg or flopping around. And then now we're going to go back to the front where we lined up the barrels in the front, the little slot that I told you about earlier. Now we're going to take the rear ferrule and the noodle. Can't forget the little noodle. And then the little ferrule. Like I said, it's real easy. It's not very difficult. It's actually as easy as you want it to be. And now you go back here to the front and you tighten this back up a little bit. It's going to give you the extra cable that you need in the back. There you go. Now we have adjusted and reinstalled a new brake cable. I'd like to thank my underwriter, Horizon. Without Horizon, we wouldn't be able to do what we do out here. On most Saturdays when they have the New Rider Clinic, we come out to Rockstar Energy Bike Park. We do this, it's usually 15 to 30 minutes in length, this bicycle, basic bicycle maintenance clinic. It's free. We're upstairs, we're in the AC, we're in the shade. So if you don't have, or if you don't already, please search Recycled Cycles of Texas. We are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, and all other social media. You can find us at recycledcyclesoftexas.com. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or to comment or to send me a private message, because we have a love for cycling and we just want to help everybody out.